Now, let me ask you something. Do you think you were physically not capable of going that far the first time? Of course not, right? If you were able to do the second time, you must have been able to do it the first time. So what was it that was blocking? It was your brain that made you believe that you couldn't go that far. And when you did this thought experiment, you created a new pathway in your brain that allowed your brain to believe that it can go further, and it was able to go further. Because for our brain, imagining doing something or really doing something is actually the same thing.
All of the things that we have been exposed to in the day to help us to make sense of it and to pick out the bits that we really need to send into our memory. So REM sleep, extremely important. And then we'll either cycle back to stage 3, 2, or 1, or sometimes we'll go from REM into stage 1 sleep. And this process will repeat. So one of these cycles is about 90 minutes, okay? So you will get multiple cycles across the evening.
Instead of saying, okay, I need to read a chapter, okay? That's big. You kind of say, all right, I'm just going to read this first paragraph. That's an action. So all I need to do is read a paragraph. When you say chapter or 10 chapters, it's like, oh my gosh, I can't do that. But when you say a chapter, a paragraph, that's more doable. And so when you take this action and then you say, okay, I'm going to take another one and then take another one, you find yourself saying, all right, I can do this. And then that increases your motivation. And you can do this with anything across the board.
You have made this clear, and I think that will be very helpful to our students. So thank you very much, Nihal. This was really informative webinar. Thank you.